show with your Benji Paulo. It has been nice being with you. Like I said, I'm going to finish off the show with a tune by Vince Man. Don't worry, I'm talking too much. I'm going to pull it up. This is 260 Rise, making it happen. So we say, Zimbabwe Rise. Vince Man, big of yourself. I also want to take this time to thank every music man out there, from the producers to the listeners. Thank you for the beautiful job that you're doing for the Zimbabwe people. Now it's time to push for our Zimbabwe music to go international. That is why we have the 260 Right Show. Remember, we also have a page on Facebook. You can talk to us if you want to know more about Vince Man. I talk to him. I've got a few things to tell you. It has been nice being with you on the 260 Right Show with your man Chivaldo.